welcome to i.made, the channel that tells you that, well, I'm Matt, but I made a thing. Alright, this week you'll see that I've got a brand new wood lathe. Look, I can't believe that I got this. I got this for Christmas, that's why I've taken such a big break, and because it was Christmas, obviously. But I'm back. I need something to test this wood lathe with, just like I tested the bandsaw, making the flash sign. So what am I going to make? I'm going to make this game out of wood. Let's get to it. Alright, so I've just chucked it up in the lathe. It's all secure. Now let's get turning. And after a quick sand, we have this. 1 of 6. And now with the magic of editing, I have 5 more. So 3 per team. There we go. We got some throwing sticks. Now, I've got to work out how I'm going to make these blocks and the king. Alright, so a few days later, I got this 40 by 30 wood left over from another project, and I've decided to glue it up into a nice big block so I can then resaw it down to make all the little blocks and the king for this game.
And I don't wanna spin around. I'm scared to call you, can't calm you down. No, you're better than nobody else. It's hopeless, can't fight it. Your love kills me every time. Stupid, addicted to you. To you. I'm stupid, addicted to you.
And with some touch-ups to the king, that's it. Now, as always, I'm Matt, and I made a thing. And I'll see you in the next video.